Hi everybody, Jeremy from Video Editor Studio, and today I'm gonna show you how to download Davinci Resolve 17. Let's check it out.
Improve your video and speed up your workflow by using easy-to-use drag-and-drop templates made specifically for Davinci Resolve. Check it out on our website, videoeditorstudio.com.
So it's gonna be really simple. I've provided you with a link below that go to this page, which is on the official website of Blackmagic Design. And here you can download the free version and the paid version of the software. So it's pretty easy. Just go to download now, and here you have the free version, and here you have the paid version. So right now we're not gonna take care about the paid version, we're gonna focus on the free. So here you have two options. You have Davinci Resolve 16, which is the current version of Resolve that is stable, and right now we have the Davinci Resolve 17 beta that is still in a beta public test mode. So then you're just gonna click on the system that you're using. So if you're on Linux, go with Linux. If you're on Windows, go with Windows. Right now we are on Mac, so I'm gonna click on Mac OS X. So then you will just have to fill up that form with your first name, last name, email, phone, country, and city. Then you're just gonna go with register and download. I've already done it. So right now on my download, there is already a zip file. I've just unzip it. Then I'm just gonna double click on that, and there is the installer. So here in the installer, you got uninstall Resolve, the install Resolve 17, and the Resolve manual. The Resolve manual, there is a lot of great information on it. If you're new to Resolve, just have a quick look because it can be really helpful for you to understand the software. If you have an older version of Resolve, just uninstall Resolve first, and then you're gonna install it back to, make sure that everything is installed properly. So then I'm just gonna double click on install. It's gonna open this window, which is a step-by-step to install the software. So you're just gonna follow along, continue, etc. I'm not gonna do it right now because I already have Davinci Resolve installed at the moment, but that's pretty much how you install Davinci Resolve 17 for free. I hope that was useful. See you in the next video. Bye.
Improve your video and speed up your workflow by using easy-to-use drag-and-drop templates made specifically for Davinci Resolve. Check it out on our website, videoeditorstudio.com.